Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be taking a look at how to use Emoji on Windows 10 for free. But before we start, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you. Let's begin. Before I show you how to use Emoji on Windows, first, let me open Microsoft Word. To use Emoji on Windows 10, press and hold the Windows key on your keyboard, and press the semicolon or the full stop key on your keyboard. This will bring out the Emoji panel, and you can select any emoji of your choice. This panel contains a lot of emojis, and you can also select special characters as well. Let me show you another method to use Emoji on Windows 10. Right-click on the taskbar and click on Show Touch Keyboard button. Now, you will see a keyboard icon on your taskbar. Click on it. This will bring out a virtual keyboard. Now, click on anywhere in your Word document. Click on the emoji icon near the space bar. Now, you can select and use any emoji of your choice. So, that is how you use Emoji on Windows 10 for free. Thanks for watching. Please, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get notified of our future videos. Also, like and share this video. Thank you.